10 weeks ago, I recharged the air conditioning system of my 2008 Toyota Sienna. Stick around to find out whether this stuff really works and is worth $50. We're going to be connecting the Quick Connect. We're going to listen for a click as it goes on. I hear it snapped on and it stays in place. So the pressure is down in this white zone, not up in the green zone. So we need to add some. Continue squeezing the trigger and shaking and tilting the can from vertical to turning 90 degrees several times. So the black gauge line is just inside the red line. So we're getting really close. Ah, now that feels much better. We are about 2.5 months later. It's a hot summer day. We're over 90 degrees, and let's check out the air conditioner. Turning on the air conditioner at maximum. Temperature's dropping. Alright, so this is pretty typical. We're hardly out of the neighborhood and we're down to 45 degrees. Alright, so here we are at the end of the drive, less than 10 minutes. It seems to be working really well. Today's a hotter day than the day we put it in. And like I say, all summer long it's been great. I have to say I've been really pleased with this product. Compared to the $600+ cost that the car repair place wanted to replace our air conditioning compressor. Worked great for me. Leave some comments, let me know if it works for you, or if you run into problems. I'd be interested in hearing about those as well. I'll include an Amazon affiliate link in the comments where you can buy AC Pro.